I'm gonna turn this on so you can actually see me. I don't know if this is gonna go in a vlog, or if it's gonna be its own vlog. The power just got knocked out, that's crazy! That's gonna be the start of the vlog. What's going on, YouTube? It's Infinity Pro Bro or Dustin. I'm back with a new vlog. And in today's video at the moment, yesterday I went to bed and I could see my car. It was 40-50 degrees outside, fall weather, leaves falling down. Look at what I woke up to. I saw some snow on this window when I opened it. Literally, there was no snow yesterday. It's October! What the fuck? Holy shit! It's literally winter wonderland right now. Oh my god! I just want to go run in this. I have Crocs on. Snow! Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh god, I don't want to stop. I don't want to fall with the camera. That would be a bad time. What the hell? I've never seen anything like this before. Oh my god, this is cold. Ah! I'm in sleeping clothes. I have Crocs on. My feet are soaked. This is a bad time. Look at my car. I can't even see my car. Wait, there's no way. No, yeah, our power just got knocked out. I'm just lost for words. So today it's October 27th, and they're saying we might get a little bit of snow this weekend. I was pretty hyped because last year was a kind of crappy winter, but they didn't mean that the blizzard of the century was coming in the middle of October. Oh my god. I'm so excited and so what? And I'm pretty sure we still don't have power. Hold on, let's see. No, yeah. Our power just got knocked out. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Let's do a vlog today! Alright guys, I've been able to calm down a little bit, and now I think I'm gonna head back to my mom's house just so that way I can grab shovel, boots, but then more importantly, I'm gonna grab my skis, and I think I might have to go skiing through town since there's a few inches of snow on the ground. I mean, no one's outside. There's a good layer of snow. I think that's a great idea. Good news though, we just got our power back on. It's been about an hour. And as you can see on that microwave, that's power. So our power is finally back on. Really excited about that. Oh, so I don't have a shovel. I don't have boots. My mittens are in my car. And I need to leave. So I'm currently gonna have to, hold on. Let's just go peek out this window real quick. If we clear this off and look down at my car down there, I can barely even see my door. So trying to get into my car is just gonna be its own adventure in itself. But that's all part of the fun today. Because sadly, power came back on. So I mean, that's kind of sad, but it would have been fun to have no power snow adventure vlog. That would have been sick. But I'm happy our power is back on because one of my roommates made it dawn upon me that if we don't have power, that means that our fridge and freezer over there won't turn on, and then our food goes bad. And one of my roommates just went shopping and dropped 100 plus on groceries, and if that all went bad because of no power, that would suck. So I am going to go shower because as stated, the snow caught me off guard. I'm still in my sleeping attire. This thing's up to my neck. I'm in sandals and pajama pants. So I'm gonna go clean up a little bit and then let's get this vlog underway. Alright, I'm back. I'm a little bit more prepared for the outdoors. I finally got off my pajamas and I'm ready to go outside and scrape off the car. As you can see out this window here, it's a little bit windy. I don't know if it's still snowing. Oh yeah, it's definitely still snowing. So this is gonna be a fun little adventure, and I'm gonna throw on a time lapse for you guys so that way you can see the process of trying to wipe off the friggin' 5 inches of snow in my car. So let's get. And we've now switched to the GoPro cam, and that is because you can't see. Oh god, I can't even open the door. So we don't have shovels. So all of this is just gonna be shit. I'm gonna try and record a time lapse for you guys of me wiping off my car and trying to get ready. So it all starts with this little ledge here. Ugh. Get out the way, snow. Go over here. Just set it like that. Can you see? Oh, oh no! Ah! I dropped the GoPro on my porch. That's not good. Oh god! I stepped in a puddle. This is a disaster. Look at my mirror. There's literally so much snow. Ah. Oh, there's my mirror. Ah. Hello? Hello? Happiness and warmth? Here we come. So we successfully made it to warmth. Not necessarily warmth, but something that is not being snowed on. You can see we are completely snowed in my car. So I'm going to spend some time here to wipe this off. I'm going to see if I can find out a way to record all this, but I don't think I'm going to be able to. And if I do find it, you're about to see it right now! Alright YouTube, I went outside, got my car started, everything's all good, but I realized that I'm going to need some help when it comes to this car cleaning. But not from other people, just to hold my camera. So that way, I can show off my secret weapon. We meet again, young folk. You see, you are no match for my scissor hand! You seem well, young enemy, but you have no idea what my secret weapon is. It's not my cock, I promise. Be gone, foul demon! Alright, so we finished wiping down the car. Blake and I decided to tag team it. And now I am absolutely soaked from sliding down the stairs. That was on accident, by the way. Like, I just started going and I couldn't stop and I was like, ah! And then I just slammed into the window. That was crazy. If we do any adventurous things while driving, I'll make sure that I vlog it. Otherwise, we'll see you at the next destination. Alright, I'm back. And you may be thinking, Dustin, what are you doing? You have your pajamas on again, as you can see. And you're just questioning all of my life decisions at this moment. Well, it's because I thought I wasn't going to go skiing outside, since if you look, the snow, it's there, but it's super sticky snow, and it's still, like, the roads are showing again. So it's not going to be very good to ski on, and it's going to destroy my skis. We're not trying to do that today. But then I just had this idea that I know where the perfect hill is to go skiing. It's actually not that far away from my house, and it's actually going to be a pretty sweet spot to ski. I'm going to have Blake as a cameraman over there. He's going to be helping me out with all the dope cinematics and stuff like that, and I think this is going to be lit after all. So, cue the epic ski apparel operating montage thinger.
Had no need to fight tonight. Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright. Had no need to fight tonight.
Forgot we still have to go outside. Real quick here, as you can see, there's a little less snow than the last part of the video. I'll just sum it up real quick. It was getting dark outside, wanted better lighting. Next couple days didn't work out, but it's still October, so we're still skiing in October. About to get this set up though. Gotta be safe, put on some poles. We got a pretty treacherous terrain ahead of us. I don't know how to use poles, I'm not gonna lie. I just gotta have them for looks. You ready to do this? Gotta remember the goggles.
Man down.
You know what the worst part about that is?
Huh.
I didn't actually try to fall. Fuck.
Dustin's a bad skier.
Alright, ready, go. Hello.
Is it me you're looking for?
I can't feel my hands. It's all good though. I think it helps with how steady I can hold the camera. They just kind of like freeze into place.
I don't think that's a good thing.
Don't worry about it.
This is the full send.
Skirt!
Skirt! Look. If it lands, you owe me $1.
This turned into how to get a pull out of a tree vlog.
Fuck.
Oh shit!
Hey, we got 2 balls! We're gonna end it here. Alright YouTube, that's gonna be the end of the vlog today. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I was super happy to get to ski in October. I mean, the snow's kind of shit at the moment, but you know, getting to ski is getting to ski. Pretty hype. So thank you for watching. Make sure you're leaving a like and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next video. I'm vlogging! I'm gonna head out to my car.